regarding, yes, listen to this. In the chapter Tiger King, in the royal family, a child was born. When the child was
Sir,
10
the
days
screen is
old.
blank.
What year?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the screen is blank. Somebody is writing on the screen.
Mr. Host,
Why,
what do you
Mr.
say?
Moon?
Mr. Host, what do
Thakur
you say?
Saab screen.
जी मिस्टर मैंने कुछ
Mr.
नहीं किया
Thakur Saab screen.
Hello, who
ये
is?
ठाकुर साहब ने
who is-
स्क्रीन शेयर की है
Yes. Who is
मेरा
writing
नाम
the
लगा रहा है
screen? Screen being whitened. By whom it is being whitened? In the chatting, sir, I want writing section, that is letter, notice, advertisement, etc. format PDF. That is Raghav Agrawal. Okay. Poster, invitation, reply, article, both formal and informal debate speech also. Okay, means a complete writing section PDF you want. So I will be trying to give. Listen to dear. The story. I'm starting the story. Ready, everybody, to listen to the story? Hello, are you ready?
Yes,
sir.
Listen to. A child was born in the royal family. When the child was 10 days old, not 10 months, not 10 years, but 10 days old, then the astrologers were invited to name the child. The astrologers began to study their astrology books, and chief of the astrologer predicted, forecast that one day this child will die. Surprisingly, in a very astonishment, the child who was only 10 days old spoke. What he said? Hello, Mr. Astrologer. Everybody knows that one who comes will go. One who is born will die. Everybody knows this.
Sir, he
But let me-
spoke when he was 10 days.
Yes, 10 days. 10. 10 days old child was speaking to the astrologer. But let me know the manner of my death. How will I die? I want to know this. The astrologer was very bewildered, surprised. He studied his books again and declared that since the child was born in the star of the bull, in the star of the ox, and there is natural enmity between ox, bull, and tiger, so his death will come from the tiger. Then again the child spoke. Then the tigers must be beware of me, not I to be beware of the tigers. Tigers must be beware of me. Then the child was brought up. Brought up means palan hua. The child was brought up in the English environment. A special English cow was brought for the child. He would have the milk of the English cow. English madam was looking after, English nurse, midwife was looking after the child. Every time there was the English environment, because since our country was slave under the yoke of Britishers. So English was in fashion. English environment was created, and in due course of time, the child grew up. He was young now. He went for hunting. He could kill a tiger and brought the carcass with dead body of the tiger, presented the dead body of the tiger to the chief of the astrologer. The chief of the astrologer said, my dear, you can keep killing the tigers in the same manner, but your death will come from the 100th tiger. You can keep killing 99 tigers in the same manner, but your death will certainly come from the 100th tiger. Since then, now he became the king. When he became the king, his only one target was there, one mission was there. As a king, he was supposed to do the welfare of the state, to do betterment for the state, but every task suspended. His only one single mission was to kill the tigers, to get the target of 100 tiger killing. How to kill? Where to find the tiger? The meetings were there. The meetings were where to find the tiger, how to go there. And many of the ministers suspended, fired, because they were not likely to help the king in his mission. In this way, once upon a time, and his name was Tiger King. And once upon a time, an English officer came in his state. The English officer actually wanted to hunt a tiger in his territory. So he was getting his permission. He was seeking his permission. The Tiger King said, "Hello, sir, you can kill a mouse, you can kill any creature, but you can't kill a tiger. It is too much." It was the English rule in the whole country. It is a risk. And but for the sake of his whim, for the sake of his eccentric nature, for the sake of ego, the king can go on any beyond, can cross any beyond. Then English officer said, "Okay, I want to have my photo drawn with the dead body of the tiger." The king said, "That is also not allowed." Then the officer said, "My wife loved the rings of Indian make very much." Then the king ordered for the 50 golden rings, 50, 50. He thought that his wife will select one of them or two of them or three of them, and she will send remaining. But his wife sent a note of thanks. "Thank you very much. She liked all the rings sent by you." Now, in order to preserve the kingdom estate, he had to give huge bribe in the form of golden rings, 50 golden rings. Now, my dear, he could kill 70 tigers in the same manner. Then again the problem, 30 tigers are remained. How to find the number of tigers? Meetings were there. The chief minister was going to be fired because he was not helping. Then the chief minister said, "Sir, my lord, I request you, I suggest you, you should marry. There is a humor." The king said, "I cannot marry you." "No, sir, I don't want to be married with you. I mean to say tiger. How can I marry with the tiger?" "No, sir, tiger. I mean to say," the chief minister said, "you should marry a girl in whose estate there are tigers." You see, there are 4 gotras taken into consideration. Number 1, education aspect. A girl, PhD, boy, high school fail, mismatch. Second is personality. A boy, 7 feet height, girl, 5 feet, mismatch, unfit. Third gotra, a girl of a royal family, Priyanka Gandhi, boy, rickshaw puller, mismatch. Social aspect, financial aspect, personality aspect, they are taken into consideration. But in the case of the Tiger King, the girl whose father might be having tigers in his territory, the girl may be Kani, Bhadi, Rangdi, Ludi, it will do. But in the territory, in the state, there might be tigers. He got married with a girl. Whenever he would go to the in-laws, he would kill so many tigers. In this way, he could kill 99 tigers. Now the one tiger will decide his fate. That is the very important tiger. Every effort was made. In his own state, he got the news from the village that some pet animals were missing. And the villagers thought there might be the hand of the tiger in the killing of the pet animals. King was happy. The king declared that he will free them. of the rent. He will not charge tax, land tax from them. The king remained in his tent for 2 or 3 days, but there was no tiger available. The king was so angry that he ordered tax, 2 or 3 times tax to be charged from these farmers, from the villagers. When the chief minister was going to be fired, chief minister went to the circus manager. There was a circus somewhere. He requested the circus manager for the tiger, because any huge amount of money can be spent in the purchase of the tiger. He was very eccentric king. Tigers were creating no problem, but it was satisfying the ego of the tiger king that he is killing the tiger. He wanted to prove the astrologer wrong, the prophecy of the astrologer wrong. That is why he was doing so. There was the old tiger, teethless tiger. He purchased from the circus manager. The chief minister and his wife helped the tiger to come into the car. Chief minister himself dropped the car from the car, as if the tiger revolted. It does not want to come out of the car. It might have guessed the danger. Somehow it was forced to come out of the car. The tiger was standing. The king took the aim of the tiger. Stand! Tiger died. And everybody celebrated. King completed his target of killing the 100 tigers. Long live the king, long live the king. And king was celebrating. He lost in the celebration. In the meantime, what happened? The hunters observed. What they observed? That the tiger has not died. It is fainted, unconscious, because of the sound of the blood. It is the old tiger. It could not bear the sound of the blood, so it was like unconscious. They themselves killed the tiger. Otherwise, king might be angry. Now you know the 100 tiger was not killed by the tiger king. Now the king was free from his. Now he was looking after his liabilities. His son was of 3 years or 4 years age. His birthday was going to come. He wanted to give him the nice gift. He could not get any nice gift from anywhere. Now in a very ordinary shop, he could see the wooden tiger. Since in his mind, in the whole year, the tiger was there. So he selected the toy, that was a tiger toy. It was not very smooth. It was a rough craftsman's task. It is very rough task. Slivers means thorns were coming out of the body of the tiger. King and his son was playing with the toy tiger. In the meantime, the thorn pricked into the hand of the king. It developed into the pus. Pus was increasing. Doctors were called. Doctors went to the operation theater. Doctors happily came out of the operation theater. Doctors said, the operation is successful. The king is dead. The lesson is very humorous, satirical. Humorous means which creates humor. Satirical means which whatever happens is opposite to what should be. That is a satire. Now, this is the brief of the story and narrative. On the, okay,